Hello guys, welcome to another video on my journey so far with Forex trading. So if you have been following me so far, you're going to realize that I'm a beginner Forex trader, and due to my experience so far, I decided to teach myself how to trade Forex. And because I've had some nasty experience by using robots and depending on others for signals, so I decided to learn how to trade Forex manually all by myself. So today I think this is my third video sharing with you my journey so far, and in this video I want to update you guys on how far I've gone or what my trading was like last week. So now I'm going to log into my online broker. Currently I'm using FBX. So I started with them newly, but I'm having a kind of I'm using them because of one thing. They give me access to the one of among the brokers I've seen. FBX is one of the really nice broker that offers what we call as a cent account. So this cent account last week it really helped me in my forex trading. So because I don't want to trade with demo account because I really want to make an impact. I noticed that with demo account I don't give it more seriousness. So instead of trading with demo account, I decided to trade with real life account. And I noticed that when I put in money into the account, due to low leverage and the value into the account, I lost money in the account. But I use but with cent account, when I load in a dollar, it seems as if I have 1,000 cents or 1,000. The psychological effect of the cent account was actually good on me. So that was one of the reasons I chose the cent account. So initial deposit is a dollar, which gives you the impression that you have 1,000 cents, and it really helps a lot with their leverage of up to 1 is to 1,000. But currently I'm using 1 is to 500, which allows me which because leverage using more leverage can really have a negative effect on your trading if you don't know what you are doing. So so now I'm going into my trading account, and so far so good. This is my dashboard. In my last video, I showed you guys this. I started with around $117 or thereabout. So this real account here, I labeled this one growth and this is descent. So what I actually did was I'm using this first account as my trading account. That is where I did all my tradings. And right and the other account is where I withdraw. I'm saving this as a backup in case of I need an emergency fund or should I want to make a withdrawal. I'm using this as my profit. Okay, I'm using this as my profit account. So I'm renaming this profit. Yeah. So far so good. I've been able last week in my last week trading, I was able to make a profit of $180 profit from trading forex last week just as a beginner. Now imagine the power of this if I really develop my skill, and then imagine what I can do with with forex. So I really love forex, and when you look at my right here on the right hand side, we have internal transfer. That was to show that I made a transfer from this account, my growth account. This is my trading account. So these deposits are cash back, and here is it. So the internal transfer, here is it, 180. I transferred this money from this my growth account, which is my trading account, down to my profit account. So that is my progress so far. And yeah, I requested for a withdrawal last week for $50 into my bank, but that they are requesting they needed some information from me. Yeah, your withdrawal request was rejected, and the reason was that they request that I should withdraw using the card, my credit card, the same card I used to make my deposit. That is the card I need to use to also make my withdrawal because I made a withdrawal directly to my bank account, but they rejected it, requesting that I do my withdrawal using my credit card, the same card I used. So I'm really going to try to do that one again here. Withdrawal. Yeah, this I'm a Nigerian and this was the initial withdrawal I wanted to make. But since they're requesting I do it with the same card I used, I'm going to speedily do that just now. So I used exactly, and I'm going to be withdrawing from the growth from the profit account. So then bank detail, card number. Okay, okay, okay. I will have done this right here. Let me see. Yeah, account number request. Okay. Anyway, for security reasons, I won't be putting my card number right here on this video. But I think after this video, I will go ahead to make a withdrawal to withdraw some and really see how the system works. And it will be very nice for me if I can withdraw my profit. But I'm not going to be withdrawing everything. I will withdraw either 50 to 60 cents, say 50 to 60 dollar, and leave about 100 or 120 dollar right here for another backup, because currently I still have more trade going on my account, on this particular account. And when I experience a low drawdown, I would like to have an emergency fund I can run into. So guys, this is just my trading so far. Now on these two accounts, yes, this particular micro account was when I was trying to trade. I deposited about $37 with this account, and I tried to trade with the micro account, but because I'm trading with less than with small money, the account got wiped out just in a matter of time on my first day of trading. And this first income was the really attractive factor of FPS. They gave me an initial bonus of five of $70, and while trying to trade with it, I also lost the money because I because yeah, I lost the money because but now this is when I was learning to trade. But my experience so far trading on this account, and my experience so far with the micro account made me to go for the cent account. As you can see, these are my real accounts. So it made me go with the cent account, which allowed me to deposit $100 will give me the price that I have about $10,000 or 10,000 cents, which gave me more flexibility trading forex. And when you look at my forex trading so far last week, I also focused on gold. So I'm really finding more fun on gold USD, and I'm now learning the ropes of this particular currency. It's interesting to watch, and it's interesting to to trade. Although it gave me some it will have. Oh, okay. So let's see. And again, I'm trading on the 15-minute time frame. And like I told you guys, I'm using this scalper strategy, which makes me trade lower time frame. So I think I need to develop the patience to wait, or learn on how to wait for the higher time frame. Or when I develop my skill with this lower time frame, I can go ahead with being a swing trader on the 4 hours and the daily chart. But currently, right now, I'm trading on the 15 minutes and the 5 minute time frame. I made the mistake of going down to a 1 minute time frame, but the 1 minute time frame was never proved to be useful. So I had to use 1 minute time frame just as a reference. But when I'm placing my trade, I'm placing my trade based on the 5 minute time frame and the 15-minute time frame. So guys, that is it for this video, and coming next week or coming in my next trade, I will also be looking, because gold right now on the 4 hour chart, gold is doing what we known as is forming a new highs here. You guys may not know what it is, but I'm looking at, after this retracement is over, to place another long trade to go long on gold coming next week, and let's see how that goes. So this is my trading experience for this week, and I may not post more videos on my trading journey again, But what I will be doing right now is giving you guys knowledge or what I've come to or my experience so far in trading. And while I learn more about the forex market, I'm going to share my experience with you guys and help you also learn how to be successful as a forex trader without depending on anybody or depending on any signal service or any robot. And if you think this is something that would interest you or you would like to know, I will encourage you to subscribe to my channel, to like the video, to share it with your friends, and also you can recommend my channel to as many people as you can. And I believe that someday we're going to do a challenge. And as my channel is the FX trading challenge, we're going to run a challenge on how to become successful or on really making real money with forex trading. And looking at gold again, these are factors I saw that was affecting the gold price. I noticed that the USD also weigh heavily on gold. So gold is a safe haven metal, a metal that responds to the reactions of other currency as a safe haven currency when other major currencies look promising. The key factor here is major currency. And looking at major currency, we're looking at mostly USD and euros and Japanese yen and so on, but mostly focusing mainly last week gold was reacting mainly to the euro to USD. So when other major currencies look promising, traders trade those currencies and abandon the gold metal, which caused the price of gold to drop. But when those major currencies look negative, traders abandon those currencies and run away from them. They come running towards gold, thereby buying up gold. This causes the price of gold to go up. So gold is kind of like a safe haven metal that responds to major currencies. When other currencies are looking promising, gold price tends to go down, while these currencies, most especially the euro, the USD, tries to go up. But when those currencies are bad, when they look negative, those currencies prices go down, then gold price goes up. So this is my experience. This is what I've observed in my few days of trading, and I use this site crypto.com for most of my updates, keeping me updated on what is actually happening in the market. So it allows me knows when to go long and when to go short. And then I use trading view for my trading to make most of my decisions and my analytic. While FFC is my broker for now. I don't know how long I'm going to keep on with them, but for the meantime, I'm currently using them and I will go ahead to make a withdrawal. So guys, that is it for today. And if you find this video helpful or useful, please and please kindly give me a thumb up and like the video. Subscribe my channel to get more updates or more trainings on how to be a professional forex trader. And I hope you find today's update useful. Hope to see you in my next video. Peace.